Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into the world of smart home technology with the Neatsvor X600pro 6000pa LDS navigation robot vacuum cleaner. This little powerhouse is the answer to all your floor cleaning needs, giving you sparkling clean floors every day, all at the touch of a button. With the Neatsvor app, you can schedule cleanings from anywhere, anytime. Whether you're at work or on vacation, your floors will be taken care of with the X600pro. One of the standout features of the X600pro is its powerful 6000pa suction, which means it can capture dirt, dust, and even larger debris from both hard floors and carpets. Plus, with its 5200 mAh battery, it can clean for up to 110 minutes on a single charge, covering an impressive 250 square meters. But what really sets the X600pro apart is its smart navigation system. Using LiDAR imaging algorithm, this robot vacuum can detect real-time obstacles with incredible accuracy, ensuring that it never gets stuck or causes damage to your home. And with multi-level mapping and room customization, you can tailor its cleaning patterns to suit your needs. And let's not forget about the mopping feature. The water control system allows you to control the water output for mopping, ensuring that your floors are left sparkling clean without any hassle. Plus, the microfiber cloth is easily washable and reusable, making it an eco-friendly choice for your home. If that's not enough, the X600pro is also voice command compatible, meaning you can give it orders through your Google Home or Amazon Alexa, making it even easier to integrate into your smart home setup. And when it comes to after-sales service, Neatsvor has you covered with a 2-year warranty and convenient overseas warehouses for fast delivery and repair. Say goodbye to the hassle of finding spare parts or dealing with lengthy repair processes. So, if you're ready to take the leap into a smart cleaning future, click the link in the description to get your hands on the Neatsvor X600pro 6000pa LDS navigation robot vacuum cleaner today. With its exceptional cleaning power and smart features, you won't regret making this investment in your home. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.